this, Pepe.
Okay, just one. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What is up, you guys? So today I have my brother in town and we're gonna do a video together. And honestly, I pretty sure you guys know what is this about because the title already says I turned my brother into me, and we're gonna do the same makeup look, everything including the lashes. This is not a tutorial. I'm just gonna make him look just like me. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to put a bun. Whoa. Oh, it's your hair.
Hello? She's doing my makeup. Talk to you later.
I don't think he really knows I'm legit doing your makeup. Your hair, like, I can feel all your hair is like...
I know. Little whiskers.
I got you.
Oh, yeah.
Ew.
Oh, yeah, that was the phone.
Oh my god, baby. It hurts so bad. Where you at, though?
I think Chloe farted.
Oh my god.
That's disgusting, Chloe.
Ah, where's my cap?
I found it.
I found it.
She lays down on my hand.
I feel like every time your phone vibrates, it's Chloe farting again.
Peter
Okay,
Griffin in that video. I mean, not video. That episode when he's farting like on the lightning, and one of the times he misses it.
Why can't you just laugh normal? Huh? Okay.
Have you seen that video of Cardi B when she's like, it's like a gold pigeon?
You have really bushy brows. Like, literally, it's a workout right now. Like, my whole face on the couch.
It looks like I have a unibrow.
What?
Am I gonna put it on my lips too? Oh. Little Uzi Vert. I remember that time when you thought you saw him.
Superstars feeling like a pop star.
What?
I farted again.
Did she? Chloe?
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me.
I feel like mom. Hola.
You can breathe, just don't move.
You would think that I wouldn't watch him.
Not with the highlighter.
I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. When me call up on no and show up, man, them this.
No! Your contour!
Did I mess up?
Evan! I can't take you serious with your chongo.
Speaking of like how you post, I'm just like, makeup is hard. On you. You guys have it on all night.
What about the day? What about people who don't go out?
Oh yeah, daytime.
Yes, hunty.
Doesn't hurt, but it tickles. Don't jump over that with the scissors.
Hmm?
Are you putting the eyebrow?
I'm putting on your eyelash, not on the brow.
I mean, it is.
Mom.
This is not cool. Why do you guys wear these? There's like something on top.
The lash band is so little that you don't even feel it. Maybe it's the glue, it's still drying up. But like the ones I use, the lash band is thick, so you can feel it. It's like your eyelashes or your like the eyelid is like working out every time you blink. I think mine are so buff right now that they're like so used to it. Chin, highlight your hairy goat chin.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I look like I would come out like an American Horror Story, the circus one. The lip gloss isn't there.
You don't look like that.
The lip gloss isn't there.
I did your makeup so pretty. Like I did not do that.
No, I meant like because I have makeup on. Is that the lip gloss?
Shut up. Okay, you guys, so I just finished his face. We are now twins. I am using the same lashes. I am using everything, what I use on my face, it's exactly the same. He looks so beautiful. Like, he can pull off as a beautiful woman. Yes, yes, he does. And yeah, you can take off your bun now. Let me see. Beautiful. Ah. He looks so gorgeous. I'm really loving it.
I haven't seen myself though.
So he hasn't seen himself, so he's gonna see real quick how he looks.
Oh.
You're beautiful. You know who you kind of remind me of? One of my favorite YouTubers.
I know, I that's what I saw.
James
right
Charles?
Yeah, one time we were watching him together. Oh my god.
Like the hair, the brows, like the thick brownness, and like the nose. I don't know. Just kind of do like.
No,
yeah.
I'm not doing
Do a duck face.
Oh.
Oh my god, we both have racist. But make it pretty like that.
No, I'm gonna look.
You look so beautiful.
Okay, you guys, subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe. What?
Give me a thumbs up, you guys.
Give me a thumbs up, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it.
If you guys think he looks beautiful, give me a thumbs up. And if you think he's like the best brother in the world for doing this, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.